Today, I'm going to be showing you how I framed inside this tiny chicken coop. The floor of this thing is going to be 38 inches long by 23 inches wide.
Every few years, my dad likes to get a couple new chickens, and because you can't integrate chicks with older hens, he wanted me to build this little coop just so they could get used to the older hens without getting killed by them.
Okay. Not as smooth as I hoped it would go.
I didn't really have a plan for the framing because I had already built 7 other chicken coops, so I kind of just winged it. For anybody who has even a basic understanding of how building works, you're probably thinking to yourself, why is this kid using 1/4-inch plywood for the floor? I don't really know. It was super thin, and it was about to break. My brain just really wasn't working.
Well, turns out 1/4-inch plywood isn't very sturdy. Mistakes were made.
Thankfully, I had these janky little bits of plywood that I had to patch together on the floor so it wouldn't cave in on itself. And apparently I forgot how to drive in a nail, so that was pretty fun.
What?
It's now time to cut up the legs. Alright, it's time to start cutting the framing.
Honestly, the framing went so smoothly, there really isn't anything to talk about. After framing everything, it was time to put on the rafters. I've always had kind of a hard time doing this, but I finally figured out a method that works.
This is one weird looking chicken coop.
I mean, look at how perfectly those things fit in there.
I'm gonna start framing out the back door. I got the door framed out, now I'm gonna work on framing the window. I got this 1 foot by 2 feet sheet of plexiglass. I'm gonna put it up and down like this. Why aren't you staying on there?
Then it was time to start working on the siding. What I'm doing now is a little bit different than my previous chicken coops. My plan was to layer it like siding. It's kind of hard to explain, you'll just see how it works out. Honestly, I like this method so much better than what I had done previously because it doesn't take any batten strips to cover up the gaps, and it just looks more appealing to the eyes.
An inch. coffee is so good. Excuse my feet.
And that wraps up the first part of this mini chicken coop series. If you want to watch a 13-year-old me build a chicken coop, click this link right here.